Just a quick update to introduce to you my new co-star. This cutting board is walnut with a maple inlay in the shape of the Meal Wars logo. A friend and a fan of the show made this for me, and he just gave it to me. This is so incredibly beautiful, and it's really one of the nicest things that anyone's ever done for me. It's definitely going to feature prominently in new episodes of the show, so I figured I'd make a proper introduction. The man who made this does take custom orders. His Instagram is right down there. You can go there and see some of his other work. He's incredibly talented, and I think he even has the rights to do like team logos and sports teams and college sports. So if you're in the market for a carved wood cutting board or sign or really anything, give him a shout. I also want to say that I'm just incredibly grateful for everyone who watches, and I'm especially humbled by the support and encouragement from my friends and family for this project. People have just been so helpful and so supportive. It really just is mind-boggling, and it really means a lot to me. Thank you all so much. Anyway, a new video is on the way, and I won't spoil the surprise, but it is something orange. Thanks for everything, and I hope I see you next time.